Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. So today we are going to be doing some swatches from the Truly Madly Deeply. I know it's not a new palette, but it's certainly new to me, and I'm really looking forward to doing the swatches for the channel. So if you're interested in watching, please keep watching. Let's go over to the vanity and I will show you what the swatches look like. Right, okay, so it comes in this beautiful packaging. So somebody said in a video that I watched a haul, before I got all these palettes, I watched a haul, least favourite to favourite of the Colourpop palettes. And somebody said this one was a Ulta, kind of like it came out in Ulta first, it was an Ulta exclusive, and they didn't think it was as good as the normal Colourpop formula. Well, I hope that is not the case, guys, because yeah, I don't want too many dud Colourpop eyeshadow palettes in my collection. So let's have a look at the back. So in this palette you get in 12 times 0.90 grams, 0.03 ounces. The pressed glitter weight is 4 times 90 grams, 0.90 grams, 0.03 ounces. How many eyeshadows are not good for the eye area? I think it's just 2, which is the pressed glitters from what I'm seeing on the back of the palette. This is what it looks like. Isn't that just so beautiful? Right, so we're going to go across, I think, across or down. Yeah, let's go across. So let's start off with this like beigey cream eyeshadow called Matter of Fact. I'm glad it's got a shade like that in. Be good as a base shade for me. You can't even see it that much, but it's just there. And then we've got Sweet Dreams. So was this, did they bring it out for Valentine's Day? It's giving me Valentine's Day vibes. That's Sweet Dreams. Not the most pigmented eyeshadow, I will admit. Then we've got Blossom, which looks nice. Excuse the traffic outside. Then Lay Low. Right, my battery's going, and I've got 2 other batteries, but I don't know where they've gone, honestly. So if this battery cuts out, we'll probably have to wait half an hour until we can do the rest of the swatches. I'm going to try and get this palette done, then I've got the Flutterby palette to do, and then it's complete then. I'm not going to order any more palettes for a while. So we've got Golden Gate Bridge. Right, the next one, I know what it looks like because I've got it in my Baby Got Peach palette. And that was another complaint that people were saying about this palette. There's repetitive shades in. But if you're like me, and you've not tried too many Colourpop palettes, that really isn't an issue. But I do have this shade in my Baby Got Peach. But it's good to have a backup sometimes. That's that one. The next one is Renegade. That looks like a pressed glitter as well. So then there's 3 eyeshadows that aren't safe. Yeah. Right, so it was really cut off then. I've just charged it for 15 minutes, so that should be enough time to just swatch the rest of this palette. So we've just gone in with Hungry Ghost. So yeah, I think we left off there. Then the next glitter is Renegade. Wow, that's pretty. Then we've got Cutouts. Then we've got Jackpot. That is really nice. I said before in the haul I don't think I'd get much use out of it, but that is really, really pretty. I thought it would be more burgundy than that. That's fine. I'll probably get a lot of use out of it. Then we've got Indio. Wow, that is absolutely stunning. Isn't it? Stunning. Then we have Misty. Then Poodle, which I don't think I'll get a lot of use out of Poodle. It's just a bit red toned for me. But on the swatches it doesn't look that bright, so maybe I will get a bit of use out of it. With that shade there it would look really, really nice. Then we have Pretty Cruel. Then we have Made to Last. The swatches are not looking that good up my arm because it's pretty dry. I have said that before in Colourpop swatches. This one I'm really looking forward to swatching. Mr. Sandman, like I said in the haul, that particular shade is from the It's My Pleasure palette. And I did want that palette but I couldn't get it. That is stunning. Again, it'll probably look better on the eyes just because my arm is a little bit dry. And then the last shade is Too Much. So that's all 16 eyeshadows. That's what they look like. It's not the best swatch placement, but you can see what the palette looks like. Let me know your thoughts on this palette. Like I said, I've heard that it's a bit of a flop, but I wanted to try it for myself. I do like to get my own thoughts and opinions on it and give you guys a review. So that's what I'll be doing. So this is what the palette looks like. It truly is a beautiful palette. So this concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and become part of our crazy little fam. I'm currently working on a giveaway and that should go up in the next month or so, I should imagine, and I would love for you to be a part of it. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.